Hola, welcome back to SpanishForYourJob.com. In this guide, we will learn easy phrases you can use to make small talk and keep conversations flowing naturally. Let's get started. I know you may be thinking that small talk is not that important, but here's the secret. This is the important stuff. Small talk is the glue that holds conversations together. It's how you go from sounding like a textbook to sounding like a real person. Let's start by talking about the weather. It is the universal icebreaker, and Spanish is no different. There are simple, easy phrases you can use every single day. Let's start with the basics. ¿Cómo es el clima hoy? What's the weather like today? ¿Cómo es el clima hoy? Hace calor. It's hot. Hace calor. Hace frío. It's cold. Hace frío. Hace sol. It's sunny. Hace sol. Está lloviendo. It's raining. Está lloviendo. Está nublado. It's cloudy. Está nublado. Es un día agradable. It's a pleasant day. Es un día agradable. Now, let's hear a short conversation so you can hear how natural it sounds. Here's the first sentence. Hola, ¿cómo es el clima hoy? Hi, how is the weather today? Hola, ¿cómo es el clima hoy? Hace mucho calor, ¿verdad? It's very hot, right? Hace mucho calor, ¿verdad? Sí, demasiado calor para mí. Yes, it's too hot for me. Sí, demasiado calor para mí. See how easy that is? And that little word at the end, verdad, means right or isn't that true? It's a great question to add at the end of a sentence to keep the conversation flowing. People use it all the time to invite the other person to agree or respond. So you could just say, es un día bonito, ¿verdad? It's a pleasant day or it's a pretty day, isn't it? Es un día bonito, ¿verdad? And then it's easy for the other person to reply because they can just say, sí, es un día bonito. And you keep talking, right? Now, let's talk about using compliments in Spanish. They are a beautiful way to warm up any conversation. Here are a few you will use constantly in everyday life. The first one is, qué bonito. How beautiful or how pretty. Qué bonito. Qué bueno. How great. Qué bueno. Now here's a compliment you can give the other person. Tu español es muy bueno. Your Spanish is very good. Tu español es muy bueno. Or you could also tell the other person, tu inglés es muy bueno. Your English is very good. Tu inglés es muy bueno. Qué bien hablas. You speak so well. Qué bien hablas. Now, if you wanted to compliment someone's style, you could say this. Me encanta tu estilo. I love your style. Me encanta tu estilo. Eres muy amable. You are very kind. Eres muy amable. Here's a bonus tip. Spanish speakers are very expressive, so don't be shy about your enthusiasm. The more genuine you are, the better. And if someone gives you a compliment, you can just say, gracias, qué amable, which translates as, thank you, how kind. Or you can just simply say, gracias. And that's it. Now, let's talk about filler words and how you can use them to sound more natural. Filler words are the little words and phrases that native speakers sprinkle into a conversation without even thinking about it. Learning these words will instantly make your Spanish sound more natural and fluent. And it will also give you a few extra seconds to think, which is always appreciated. Here are the most common ones. The first one is bueno. This one is incredibly versatile. It can mean well, okay, or so, depending on the context. You can use it to start a sentence, to pause and think, or to transition to a new point, for example. Bueno, no sé. Well, I don't know. Bueno, no sé. Another example is bueno, no estoy seguro. Well, I'm not sure. Bueno, no estoy seguro. The next word is pues. Think of this one as well or so or even It's very common. It buys you a second to think and sounds completely natural. Here's an example. Pues creo que sí. Well, I think so. Pues creo que sí. Next, we have a short phrase. It is o sea. This translates as I mean, or that is to say, you will hear this constantly in casual conversations. Here's an example. O sea, es muy complicado. I mean, it's very complicated. O sea, es muy complicado. Next on the list, we have a ver, which literally translates as let's see, and is used when you're thinking something through or asking someone to show you something. A ver, déjame pensar. Let's see. Let me think. A ver. Déjame pensar. Next, we have the word claro, which translates as of course or sure. It is warm, friendly, and very commonly used in everyday Spanish. Here's an example. If someone asks, ¿Puedes ayudarme? Can you help me? ¿Puedes ayudarme? You can reply like this. Claro, estoy listo para ayudar. Of course, I'm ready to help. Claro, estoy listo para ayudar. The last phrase on this list is this one. Es que, which can be translated as the thing is, and it is perfectly for explaining yourself and getting a few extra seconds. Here's an example. Es que estoy muy ocupado hoy. The thing is, I'm very busy today. Es que estoy muy ocupado hoy. Finally, here are some useful phrases to keep a conversation flowing naturally. Show you're engaged and avoid those awkward silences. The first one is ¿Y tú? And you? ¿Y tú? Next one. Qué interesante. How interesting. Qué interesante. Next, we have ¿En serio? Really or seriously? ¿En serio? No me digas. No way or you don't say. No me digas. Cuéntame más. Tell me more. Cuéntame más. Entiendo. I understand. Entiendo. Tiene sentido. That makes sense. Tiene sentido. These easy phrases show the other person you're listening that you're engaged, and that you want them to keep talking. That alone will make conversation feel much more comfortable for everyone. We have learned a few easy ways to make small talk and use conversation fillers in Spanish. If you would like to keep learning Spanish, click the video on your screen right now where you can learn over 100 common Spanish sentences you can use in everyday life. Go ahead, click on the video so you can continue learning Spanish.